Next is structure of nucleus, that is the diagram of nucleus. This is nuclear envelope. It is double layered. This is double layered nuclear envelope, and these are nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. This is nuclear envelope. Envelope means covering. ऑलमोस्ट जो कवरिंग होती है उसमें इतने बड़े पोर नहीं होते, बट दीज आर द पोर्स इन द न्यूक्लियर एनवेलप, क्योंकि बाहर है साइटोप्लाज्म फॉर द एंट्री एंड एग्जिट ऑफ मटेरियल फ्रॉम द साइटोप्लाज्म, एंड इन कंटिन्यूएशन विद न्यूक्लियस this is network like structure. ये अपने सभी तरफ बनाना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस साइड ऑल्सो. This side also. This network like structure, it is called endoplasmic reticulum. Why endoplasmic reticulum? Because it is present inside the cell. अगर हम सेल की बात करें, सेल के बाहर वाला स्पेस, सपोज इस बोर्ड को अगर आप सेल मान रहे हो, बाहर यहाँ जो साइटोप्लाज्म है दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्टोप्लाज्म, और अंदर जो साइटोप्लाज्म है उसको बोलेंगे एंडोप्लाज्म. So it is found inside. It is called endoplasmic reticulum, and these round structure which I am drawing, these are ribosomes. These are present on the outer envelope of the nucleus. These are also present on this endoplasmic reticulum. Due to presence of this ribosome, this endoplasmic reticulum, it appear rough, so it is called RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Due to presence of these ribosome, these are ribosome. Ribosomes, they are the protein factories. They help in the synthesis of protein. Then inside the nucleus, there is present the liquid material that is called nucleoplasm. This is the liquid material found inside the nucleus. This is called nucleoplasm, and cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm, these are called protoplasm. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm, these are called protoplasm. This is the structure of nucleus. Nucleus contains nucleoplasm, and in this nucleoplasm these are thread-like structures which occupy almost whole of the nucleus. These are colored structures. These are called chromatin. Colored structures. And there are present another cell organelle. You have to draw near about the 3. These are called nucleolus. Then our main concern about the chromatin. Chromatin are the colored body, and during cell division they condense to form rod-like structure. These are called chromosome. If we talk about the chromosome are made up of, this is condensation of chromatin. Chromatin condense during cell division to form chromosome. Chromosome is made up of DNA and protein. DNA is our genetic material. Chromosome is made up of DNA and protein, and the smallest part of DNA which is capable of expression. Smallest part of DNA which control character is called gene. What is gene? Gene is the smallest part of DNA which is capable of controlling of any character, any trait of the human body, that is called gene. This is the diagram of nucleus, nucleoplasm, chromatin, nucleolus, chromatin, condensation, chromosome, which are made up of DNA and protein. DNA is the smallest part, or the smallest part of DNA is called gene, and DNA is the genetic material. Then next is endoplasmic reticulum.